Legally Speaking with Crocker Law Firm.
We've talked about someone being hurt in an accident. Of course, once a settlement verdict is reached, what that money is for.
Right.
But when there will be future wage loss and future medical bills, how do you know what to give for that?
Well, we have to prove it. You'd like to just appeal to your common sense, but I actually cannot go in front of a jury and just say, okay, this person had a broken bone, they're probably going to have arthritis later in life, or this person with just a horrible, catastrophic spinal cord or brain injury, we can assume that there will be millions of dollars in future expenses. That is probably true and it is common sense, but it doesn't work like that because a judge would say that's speculative. You can't put that in front of a jury. You have to put some numbers and some evidence behind the damages you're asking for.
Well, how do you come up with that evidence? How do you prove that?
For the most part, you're going to have to work through experts who are qualified to put numbers to that. If you're talking about future medical needs and the expenses associated with that, doctors are usually your qualified experts. A doctor can say within a reasonable degree of medical certainty, this is going to happen in the future. For example, if you have a young person with a total knee replacement, a doctor is likely to testify that given their lifespan, that's not going to last their whole life. And so we can go ahead and estimate a future surgery and the future costs. If you have a catastrophic injury where you need care every day, there are experts who can say, based on other patients they've dealt with the same type of injuries, this is what a lifetime of cost is likely to look like. And that is enough to get that question in front of the jury for an award of that nature.
And it sounds like in a case like this, for future damages, there's a lot going on there and you need someone invested with the know-how to put it together.
I do think it's fairly complicated, yes.
All right, well, you can join us next time for Legally Speaking with Crocker Law.